Hi there! Welcome to Museo Orlina. So bilang bawal talaga i-video ang mga napakagagandang artworks ni Orlina ay tatanungin na lang natin yung isa sa kanilang mga guide dun sa mga stones kung ano ang a bit like history ng Museo Orlina. Matatagpuan yan dito sa Tolentino East, Hollywood Subdivision, Tagaytay. Pak Ganern. Let's go. Hi ate, what's your name?
So I'm Joy Ma'am, one of the tour guides here in the museum. So the Museo Orlina po is a private museum established by Mr. Ramon Orlina po.
Yes.
So he's a licensed architect and considered as the father of Philippine glass sculpture.
Wow.
Because he's the pioneer in glass sculpting here in the Philippines po. So he started in 1976. He's 81 years old na po ngayon and still active in the making of
Really?
glass.
He's still active?
Yes po. So his style is very unique because instead of melting the glass, he doesn't use any heat or fire po. So he uses power tools to cut, to grind, to smooth and polish
Yes.
the sculpture works. Ma'am.
Thank you so much for that informative information about the Orlina, tama
Opo.
ba? Orlina.
Museo Orlina.
Museo Orlina. Thank you, ate.